Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how to download and install Python latest version on Windows 10. It also works on Windows 8 and 7. So first of all, go to your system properties and see whether your system is of 64-bit or 32-bit. My system is of 64-bit operating system, so I will go and download 64-bit version of Python. So go to your browser and type python.org. After that, click on first link and you will land to the Python main website. After that, go to download section, scroll down to Windows and click on it. You will see that latest Python releases for Python 3 and 2. Here are latest release for Python 3 is 3.8.2 and for Python 2 it is 2.7.17. If you want to download any previous older version, you can scroll down and click on your specific version also. I am going to download the latest version for Python 3 which is 3.8.2. So click on it, and as my system is 64-bit, so I will click on this 64-bit executable installer. If your system is of 32-bit, you can install or download this one. So I am going to download this one. As I have already downloaded it, so I will go to my downloads and click on Python 64-bit. So I don't need this one. Go to OK. After that, when you launch it, click on this add Python 3.8 to path bar and simply just click on install now. Here it wants changes from you on your device. Just click on yes, and the setup is in progress. Python is installing now. Here is I downloaded my Python previously, so I don't need to wait for it. You just need to click and it will download it in your folder. I downloaded it in my downloads folder, which is here, so you can just wait for it. As I have already downloaded it, so I just started installing it. So it will take a while, so let's wait for it a little bit. So you can see here successful installation message, so go ahead and close it here. Now after successful installation, go ahead to command prompt and launch it. Now type here Python space hyphen capital V and press enter. So here you can see that latest version of Python 3.8.2. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.